In this video, you are going to see how to put or divide a line in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, you can apply different type of divide a line. Let's get started. You can apply two methods. You can use the keyboard shortcut or you can use the option from here. Let us write here equal sign 3 times and hit enter. Then a double divider line will be added. Let us input the underscore 3 times and hit enter. Then a single bold line will be appeared. You can make it using the option. Let us delete this by pressing the delete button. Go to home, go to over here borders, then go to borders and shading. Now choose the style of your choice. Let us choose this one and uncheck from down, left and right, just the top border. Now you can change the size and click on OK. Then the divider line will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.